All right, car fanatics, buckle up because today we're diving into a world where roughing it means choosing between the marble countertop in your bathroom or the one in your gourmet kitchen inside your RV. We're not talking about your grandpa's Winnebago here. Nope, we're plunging headfirst into the top 5 most luxurious next-level RVs on the planet. These are the rolling mansions that make 5-star hotels look like budget motels, the kind of mobile palaces that only the mega-rich can even dream of parking in their, well, wherever billionaires park their RVs. So picture this. You're a Ferrari owner, a Bugatti collector. Maybe you've got a private jet tucked away. But sometimes, just sometimes, you want to hit the road. But you're not about to downgrade your lifestyle, are you? That's where these incredible machines come in. Let's kick things off with a name that's synonymous with speed and style. Ferrari. Now hold on a second. Ferrari doesn't actually make RVs, but that didn't stop some seriously talented folks with a vision, and probably a very large budget, from taking inspiration from the prancing horse. Imagine sleek aerodynamic lines that look like they were sculpted by the wind itself. Think bold, aggressive red accent screaming performance even when it's parked. And the inside? Forget cramped quarters. We're talking an interior that feels like stepping straight into a Ferrari supercar lounge, just stretched out. Leather. Seats with those iconic Ferrari stitches, a dashboard that's sporty and driver-focused, not a bulky mess of buttons. Tech everywhere you look, naturally. It's like they took the very DNA of Ferrari, the passion, the design, the sheer thrill, and somehow crammed it into an RV body. This isn't just getting from A to B. It's a multi-million-dollar statement, a rolling testament to the supercar lifestyle. All right, if Ferrari whispers luxury, then our next contender just flat-out yells untouchable. We're talking about an RV inspired by none other than Bugatti. Now, this isn't an official Bugatti product either, but whoever dreamed this one up was clearly aiming for the stratosphere of extravagance. Picture an exterior that looks more like a futuristic spaceship than something you'd see at a campground. It's all sculpted lines and a presence that just screams, "I cost more than your house." Probably several houses. Step inside, and you're immediately enveloped in a world of the most exotic materials imaginable. Think buttery soft leather, swathes of carbon fiber, and crystal lighting that sets a mood more akin to a high-end art gallery than a vehicle. Design cues are straight out of the Bugatti Chiron. That same attention to detail, that same feeling of absolute, unadulterated opulence. Hidden champagne coolers that glide out at the touch of a button, furniture that retracts seamlessly into the walls, a voice-controlled system that probably understands your desires before you even voice them. This isn't just travel. It's like having your own private jet on wheels. The price tag? Well, let's just say it comfortably crosses into the tens of millions. This one isn't about blending in. It's about making sure every single head within a mile radius swivels your way. Now, you might think this level of outrageous luxury is purely a European affair, but hold your horses. Because our next RV proves that American muscle can also play in the big leagues of high-end comfort. We're talking about an RV built on the sturdy backbone of a Ford Super Duty chassis. Now, don't get me wrong, a regular Super Duty is a beast of a truck, but these high-end coach builders took that rugged foundation and transformed it into something truly wild. Imagine a luxury yacht, but instead of floating on water, it's cruising down the highway. We're talking king-sized beds that feel like sleeping on a cloud, spa-like bathrooms with rainfall showers, massive flat-screen TVs that would put your home cinema to shame, and get this, even a built-in garage. Yep, you can actually carry your Lamborghini or Ferrari along for the ride. The design is a fascinating blend of American practicality and European sophistication. You've got the solid Ford underpinnings, but inside it's all polished wood, gleaming. Marble countertops and leather everywhere your hand could possibly land. This is the kind of motorhome that might still have a Ford badge on the outside, but the moment you step inside, you're in a pure billionaire playground. All right, moving. onto a machine that's not just about luxury on the inside, but also about bringing your other toys along for the adventure. Let me introduce you to the Volkner Mobil Performance S. Now, at first glance, it looks like a seriously sleek and sophisticated luxury bus. But here's where things get really interesting. Hidden underneath this beauty, in the belly of the beast, is a full-on slide-out garage. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually drive your Bugatti, your Porsche, your Ferrari, whatever your hypercar of choice, right into this RV, and then at your destination, roll it out like some James Bond gadget. The interior? Well, think of your swankiest penthouse apartment and then put it on wheels. We're talking heated floors, a gourmet kitchen that would make professional chefs jealous, designer furniture that looks more like art than seating, and a sound system that could rival a concert hall. With a price tag that comfortably sits between $2 and $3 million, the Volkner Mobil Performance S isn't just about traveling in style. It's about bringing your entire lifestyle, including your prized car collection, with you. And finally, we arrive at what many consider the absolute king of all motorhomes. The name itself sounds regal, the Mobil Element Palazzo Superiore. This RV is instantly recognizable, and let's be honest, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie with that bubble-like cockpit and its utterly futuristic shape. Step inside, and you're greeted by a lounge that feels more like the lobby of a high-end designer hotel. We're talking gleaming marble floors, mood lighting that sets just the right ambiance, and custom-made furniture that's as comfortable as it is stunning. But here's the real showstopper. A Sky Lounge rooftop deck that literally rises up at the touch of a button, giving you your own private terrace with panoramic views wherever you decide to park. The bedrooms boast king-sized beds that you could probably get lost in. The bathrooms rival luxury apartments, and every single detail feels meticulously handcrafted. At over $3 million, the Element Palazzo Superiore isn't just the most expensive RV out there, it's arguably the most jaw-dropping, head-turning, is that even real? Motorhome in the world. So, when you look at these incredible machines, the Ferrari-inspired speed machine, the Bugatti spaceship on wheels, the Ford-based luxury yacht, the car-carrying Volkner Mobil, and the utterly bonkers Mobil, one thing becomes crystal clear. For billionaires, hitting the road isn't about leaving their world behind. It's about bringing their entire world with them. These aren't just vehicles. They are moving palaces, a mind-blowing fusion of engineering, design, and frankly, an insane amount of money, all rolled into one unforgettable package. Now, I gotta ask you, if you had the chance and the bank account the size of a small country, which one of these rolling titans would you choose? The sporty vibe of the Ferrari-inspired RV? The sheer audacity of the Bugatti concept? The practical luxury of the high-end Ford? Maybe the car-toting genius of the Volkner Mobil? Or would you go all out with the rooftop terrace of the Mobil? Let me know in the comments below because honestly, I'm struggling to pick just one myself. Thanks for joining me on Pony Piston for this peek into the unbelievable world of billionaire RVs. If you enjoyed geeking out over these crazy rides, smash that like button, subscribe for more incredible automotive content, and share this with anyone who loves cars as much as we do. Until next time, keep those engines revving, and I'll catch you in the next video.